Hey guys, so I'm doing a review of my Victorinox Swisschamp. So I'm just going to show you every single tool there is, and I'll show you what it looks like all opened up. Can opener with a tiny little flathead screwdriver. Bottle opener with a flathead screwdriver. Magnifying glass, which actually works pretty well. Phillips head screwdriver. A pair of pliers. Scissors, ruler, and a fish scaler, and a little fork for picking up meats and stuff like that. A saw, nail file, knife, mini knife, cork opener, mini screwdriver with cork opener. And last is this thing that you can use like this and pick up something heavy that has a strap to it like a package. There's a toothpick, a pen, and tweezers. And here's the Swisschamp all opened up.